Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas on PC for free. If you want to download GTA San Andreas on PC, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open your web browser and search for GTA San Andreas. Make sure to only visit the official Rockstar Games website, as downloading from third-party sites can be risky and may include viruses or malware. Once you are on the Rockstar Games website, look for the game page for GTA San Andreas. At the top, you will see a Buy Now button. After that, click on it to proceed. The game is currently priced at around $50, but prices may vary depending on your region or any ongoing promotions. To buy it, you will need to sign in with your Rockstar Games account. If you do not have one yet, take a few minutes to create a free account using your email. After signing in, enter your email address and payment details to complete the purchase. Rockstar supports multiple payment methods, including credit or debit cards and online wallets, so choose whichever is convenient for you. Once the payment is completed, you will be able to download the installer for GTA San Andreas directly to your PC, and that's how you can get GTA San Andreas on your PC safely and start enjoying one of the most iconic games ever made. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.